Welcome back. In the series of discussion of static GK of state, our next state is Tripura. So let's discuss Tripura. As you can see, location of Tripura in map of India. It is a northeastern state, and its capital is Agartala. It was founded on 21st January 1972. It is bounded by Assam, Bangladesh, Mizoram. Assam on the north, Bangladesh on west, and Mizoram on south, respectively. As you can see in the zoomed in map of Tripura. Okay. Number of seats in Lok Sabha is 2. Number of seats in Rajya Sabha is 1. Total number of districts in Tripura is 8. Chief Minister of Tripura is Biplab Kumar Dev. He belongs to Bharatiya Janata Party. Next, Governor of Tripura is Ramesh Bais. Rivers flowing in Tripura are Longai River, Juri River, Deo River, Manu River, Dalai, Kawai, Harau, Mohri, Feni River. National parks present in Tripura are Bison, also called Rajbari National Park, and Clouded Leopard National Park. Official language used in Tripura are Bengali, English, and Kokborok. Folk dance of Tripura are Hojagiri dance, Bamboo dance. Wildlife sanctuary of Tripura are Gumti Wildlife Sanctuary, Rowa Wildlife Sanctuary, Sepa Hijala Wildlife Sanctuary, Tisna Wildlife Sanctuary. Ramsar site of Tripura is Rudra Sagar Lake. State animal of Tripura is Pirate's leaf monkey. State bird is green imperial pigeon. State flower is Ceylon ironwood. And state tree is agarwood. GI tag of Tripura is queen pineapple, also called Tripura queen pineapple. Recently, Northeast India's largest IT hub opens in Tripura. Okay. So, importance in previous video I have already covered all 8 northeastern state. Today Tripura was last. So I felt that I should explain the importance of northeastern state of India. They are very important in many ways. Like northeastern state has very strategic location. It has international boundary with Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, Nepal, Bhutan, and it plays a very vital role in control of insurgency, illegal human trafficking, smuggling, and many things. Okay, and importance of northeastern state we can also add: when a girl is born, it is welcomed to the house like a goddess. Parents invest in their girl child in the form of education. Okay, world's cleanest village is in Meghalaya, Mewinlong. So northeastern people pay more emphasis to sanitation. Also, they pay importance to environment. They worship forest. Literacy rate of northeastern state is very high compared to other Indian state. World's largest one-horned rhinos are found in Kaziranga National Park in Assam. More than 50% of tea production of India comes from northeastern state. Northeastern state people of northeastern state has displayed name of India in international podium, such as very famous gymnast, sprinter, boxer such as Mary Kom, Hima Das. Also, first organic state of India is Sikkim. So northeastern state is very important. If anyone says anything against northeastern state, then it is very bad. It should not be encouraged. Okay, so at last I would say that the first rays of sun are faced by northeast people, as Arunachal Pradesh is called land of sunrise. So northeastern state people are more awakened than us, whether from sleep or awakening from social and environmental injustice. Thank you.